You will never procrastinate again after watching this video. Look, I'm in my early 20s and I've built a business that makes me thousands of dollars a day in profit. I'm not telling you this to brag, I'm telling you this because a few years ago, I was exactly where you are right now, procrastinating, making excuses, watching videos just like this one, and then doing absolutely nothing with the information. But something clicked for me, and I'm gonna share with you what that was so you can have your own wake-up call right here, right now. We're still at the beginning of 2026, so now's the time to go all in. So let's get into the real reason you procrastinate. And I really need you to hear this because this is the part that most people don't want to admit to themselves. You procrastinate because you're too damn comfortable. That's it. That's the answer. You're sitting there thinking you want to change your life. You want to build a business. You want to get in shape. You want to make more money. But here's the truth. You don't really have to do any of that. Like genuinely, what's forcing you to take action right now? Nothing. You've got a roof over your head. You've got food to eat. You've probably got Wi-Fi and a phone in your hand watching this video. You're comfortable enough that the pain of staying where you are isn't greater than the pain of actually doing the work to change. You know that saying, right? Nothing changes if nothing changes. It's a harsh reality check. If you're in the high-ticket sales space like I am, selling solutions to real painful problems, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The reason most people don't buy isn't because they don't have the problem to solve. It's because they don't have enough urgency. They don't have the balls to do what it takes. They're in pain, sure. They hate their job. They hate their bank account. They hate looking in the mirror. But over time, they've just learned to tolerate it. They've gotten used to hating their situation. And that's where you are right now. You've become best friends with your misery. You've made peace with being mediocre. And until you get so fed up with where you are that you literally can't stand it for one more second, nothing's gonna change. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's another truth bomb for you. You procrastinate because you're still trying to avoid pain, which is honestly a rookie mistake because let me tell you something about life that nobody wants to hear. Everything is painful. Literally everything. There's no 100% easy, pain-free path to anything worth having. It doesn't exist. So you may as well stop looking for it. Stop waiting for the perfect moment when everything feels easy and comfortable because that moment is never coming. No matter what you choose to do, you are going to feel pain. The only question is, what kind of pain do you want to feel? Think about it like this. Being overweight is painful. Your knees hurt. You can't fit into your clothes. You feel terrible about yourself. People treat you differently. That's very painful. But you know what else is painful? Being fit, waking up early to go to the gym when you're tired, saying no to the foods you want to eat, pushing yourself through workouts that make you want to quit. That's very painful too. Both options involve pain. The difference is one pain keeps you stuck in the same place and the other pain actually moves you forward and gives you a much better life. One pain is for nothing and the other pain builds you into someone better and makes your life so much better. Same thing with money. Being broke is hard as hell. We all agree on that. Not being able to afford the things you need, stressing about bills, feeling like you're always behind, watching everyone else live the life you want, seeing all these fancy vacations on Instagram but you can't go. That's painful. But doing what it takes to get rich, it's painful as hell too. Working when your friends are out, partying, dealing with failures, setbacks, rejection, humiliation, putting in hours and hours when you're not seeing results yet. Risking money you don't really have much of, that's so painful. But here's what you need to understand. You're gonna suffer either way. So you're gonna feel pain either way. So pick your battles. At least choose to suffer for something that's actually worth it. Choose the pain that leads somewhere better instead of the pain that just keeps you in the same miserable spot forever. Now, let me tell you about something I got wrong for a long time. I used to think I needed to work 24/7. Otherwise, I wouldn't deserve success at all. I thought if I wasn't grinding every single second of every single day, I was being lazy and I didn't deserve to win and be successful. That was completely wrong to think, and it almost destroyed me. You can't work all the time, literally, and still be a functioning human being. You won't even be productive. Your brain doesn't work like that. So here's what I learned the hard way. Don't just fill your entire days with busy work that doesn't actually move the needle and make you more money. I see so many people doing this. They're busy all day long doing so many damn things, but they're not actually doing the things that matter. And these people are so burnt out, it's nuts. They're checking emails 300 times a day, organizing their desks again and again and again, watching one more tutorial, tweaking their website for the thousandth time. They feel productive, but they're not making progress. It's fine to go rest. It's fine to go have fun. It's fine to recharge your batteries so you can come back stronger the next day. In fact, it's necessary. You need that. Your brain needs that. Plus, and this is huge, only really 20% of the things we do actually matter when it comes to getting the results we want. That's the 80-20 principle. 20% of your actions produce 80% of your results. So instead of trying to work on everything all the time and burning yourself out, figure out what that 20% is for you. What are the actual needle-moving activities in your business or your life? For me, in my business, it's running ads, creating content, taking calls with potential clients. That's it. Those are the things responsible for almost all of my results. Everything else is pretty much just noise. So I focus on those things when I'm working, and then I actually rest when I'm resting. I'm not halfway doing both and feeling guilty the whole time. That's the key. Work intensely on the things that matter, and then actually disconnect and recharge without guilt. But here's the biggest thing I want to talk about, and this might be the most important question you ever ask yourself. Is this actually your dream, or is it someone else's dream? Because if you're sitting there trying to meet someone else's expectations, trying to live up to what your parents want, or what society says you should do, or what looks good on paper, no wonder you've got zero motivation. No wonder you procrastinate. Your heart's not in it. You don't actually care about the outcome because it's not your outcome. It's someone else's idea of what your life should look like. But if it's your dream, if it's something you actually want deep in your core, not because it sounds cool or because other people will be impressed, but because it genuinely lights you up inside, that's when everything changes. That's when you unlock that fire inside you that lets you do whatever needs to be done to reach your goals. That's when the pain doesn't matter anymore because you want the outcome more than you want to avoid the discomfort. That's when you stop procrastinating because you're not forcing yourself to do something you don't care about. You're pulling yourself towards something you can't stop thinking about. So I need you to get really honest with yourself right now. What are you actually working toward? Is it your vision or someone else's? Because if you're trying to build someone else's dream, stop. Just stop right now. You're wasting your time and your life. Figure out what you actually want, and then go after that with everything you've got. And if you still don't know what you want yet, that's fine. But make figuring that out your number one priority, because nothing else matters until you know where you're trying to go, what you're trying to accomplish. Look, at the end of the day, procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's not about lacking discipline. It's about not having a strong enough reason to take action. It's about being way too comfortable where you are. It's about trying to avoid pain when pain is inevitable. It's about burning yourself out on busy work instead of focusing on what matters. And it's about chasing dreams that aren't even yours. Fix those things and I promise you, you'll never procrastinate again. You won't have to force yourself to work. You won't have to rely on motivation. You'll just do what needs to be done because the alternative, staying where you are, will be way more painful than the work itself. So stop watching so many videos and start taking action. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and making excuses. Get uncomfortable. Choose your pain. Focus on what matters and make sure you're building your dream, your life, not someone else's. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.